And I will continue on with the second part of the altar that I have for my ancestors. Like I said, for the recent ancestors, I have two. One that represent, those ancestors that are really about religion and stuff like that. So I honor them by making sure that I represent their spirituality, their spiritual belief. And then as far as, for the other side of the family who are about the Garifuna spirituality and not necessarily religion, I have things like, for example, for my husband's grandmother, I have a porcelain doll that's, basically to commemorate, his grandmother. And then I have two eagle feathers. One was gifted to me by my Taino historian, who was one of my mentor, and another was gifted to me by a Native American for honoring him in braiding his hair. I have calabash. I have another wooden pipe. And also on all three sacred altars, I have incense, sage, a glass for water, and a glass for gifiti liquor and wine. And oftentimes on special occasions, I put food, fruit, or flowers on the altar to commemorate against special occasions. So those are some of the things that I have on my altar. I know, every household does their altars differently. I have some aunties that tell me that the altars are traditionally supposed to be placed closer to the floors. And then I have other elders that say it doesn't matter if it's placed directly on the floor, as long as you have a sacred space, to place your altar. So again, it varies. Every household have their altar, decorated the way that they want to, and it signifies whatever it signifies to them. Again, the altar that I have here in our home is to basically honor our ancestors and keeping with the covenant of taking care of them and they take care of us. So, feel free to share with us what's on your sacred altar.